scared of the night, always wanting the fright of your life. Oh baby, can't you see the monster screamed in your dreams? Be your monster, darling, while you're scared of sleep at night. Oh, to tell you that remember of your life. No, baby, can't you see the monster made of mine?
Hey guys, girls and ghouls, it's your boy Razor from Razor's Twisted Exploring. We're sort of in the Lincolnshire Folkham area today, and we're going to check out this abandoned farm. So come with us on another explore. So this is what we're looking at, guys, out in Lincolnshire. The Temple Farm, apparently it's known by. Bit of a random find in the maps. So I thought, while I'm in this area, come and investigate whether we get in or not. Never to worry, we've got a couple of outer buildings down here as well, like the garages, maybe a barn. But I'm wondering, let's investigate here first. So come in. Over towards this front door, we can see that it is boarded from the bottom. But very clear signs it is abandoned. I mean, no harm in always trying the door. These have obviously been put on. There's a lot of brambles going that way. So I'm wondering. I probably could have got around there if I had my jacket on, which is around my waist at the minute. But we'll come round this way instead. Towards the back. Again, well and truly looked after, well and truly sealed up. Door handle sadly broken off there. This absolutely looks like a nightmare of a jungle to get through and navigate through. Although I'm wondering if we can navigate round. Oh, see. Because it does look pretty short back there. Quite a jungle. We're already seeing boards at the bottom there. Nevertheless, we will come through here to show you guys. Wow, look at all that ivory just consuming up the building. Absolutely beautiful location as well. Incredible, but we can clearly see it's all sealed up. And you've got to obviously respect that when exploring, guys. You're not always gonna find ways in to these places, and we never force an entry. We never take anything besides the photos and what we film. Ooh, very much jungle like getting through here, that's for sure. Right, we'll go check near the barns at least. So yeah, barns just back here. Very different styled stone in different parts of it. But yeah, going back to near to where the garages are. Seems like the door offside here. A little bit of a building, but these definitely look like a little bit of garages or stables. Maybe one or two. Just give you a little peek into here. So just get my torch out, and there's a few little bits and bats. Christmas tree. Probably certain parts of some kids' toys, some of the old carpet rugs. Look at down here. And this sort of tin here. Got some other tin. And this. Basically, Coxon hypodermic needles. Not too sure on the substance. So that's the garages here. I'm going to go back this way. So we did see a building off the side before we go round. Yeah, there's a building off here. It's like a bit of a hutch. Wow, some severe damage here. Definitely stables. Lawn mower. Spanner and trolley. We got some sort of gas tank. Boot. Around the boot, a couple of boots there. Just look like this fence bit goes into section 2, but we might be able to get round on that other end. So we'll follow this right round. Keep out unsafe buildings. Yeah, there seems to be some stuff back there. Not too sure about this. This looks like it's getting done up. Obviously we've got barn here. Probably where they kept like all the farm equipment. and stuff, clearly padlocked. Another sort of building here. Come out back here. Can't see a way in from here. Oh, come round here. Wow. Them bloody pigeons, eh? Again, seems like must have been a building here at some point ago. Ah, there's a gap down there, and there's a little building here to check out and then go across. Is that an owl? Almost looked like it, yeah. Come from barn, was it barn owl? Nature's definitely taken over in there, isn't it? That's for sure. Going off all this net in here, they must have kept some sort of animals in, maybe birds. I would guess so. Another outbuilding there, but ooh, it's quite a nightmare to get through some of this stuff. Yeah, we can get round there, but we'll head in here first. I think I might have to put my jacket on, considering all this nettles. So, onwards we go into here. Wow, look at all old farm stuff. Crazy, all the harnesses, chains, the bit that you sit on as well, innit? Don't know what they call it. That's a bit of a crazy find there, isn't it? Yeah, clearly we can't get through there. Check. So, it's a good job I put my jacket on. Fruit nettles. Into this barn here. Probably where they had the cattle, cows, maybe so. Can get through there. No, it appears like it's locked out, that. So, down here, checking out, so we couldn't get into that end bit. It's obviously these little sheds. We'll come back and have a little look at that one. Might have to give you a look from here. This nettle seems to be pretty close to my face. Not a lot in there. And again, we've got some sort of other hutch. Makes me think, really does make me think, obviously food down there, this could have been some sort of rabbit hutch. I'm guessing going off that, down there they would have kept probably birds. But very interesting indeed, nevertheless. So yeah, I just want to have a little look at this one. Just up a bit. guessing this would have been part of the farm at one point. It definitely looks like it's been took over, being done up. It's always amazing to see, guys, when it comes to these places. Right, so got a bit of a passage through all these nettles and thorns. Ow. Football down there. But as we can make out, there's another barn of some sort. Maybe for horses. Ooh, seems to be a bird in there. And it is. Guys, it's an owl. Hello? Hello? Oh, it's coming saying hello and then. Oh, toot. Little owl. There's actually, guys, there's actually loads of them. Oh, hello. Beautiful. Greeting us. Any more of you? Oh, guys in there. Look. Don't want to obviously pester them too much. So there we go, guys. An absolute amazing farmhouse, farm, and not a lot around, but beautiful house, as we can see. And just on the way coming out as well, did spot a baby deer, and they were absolutely cute at the end. Just to see them two little owls, I thought have a little look at them, say hello and whatnot, and then time to leave. But guys, it's been great to take you on this explore with us. Thank you for coming on this explore. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more content. Catch you on next. Peace out.